Brandon Newman with Battleborn Batteries, and we're at RE Plus in Las Vegas for 2023. So this is our 5 kilowatt-hour home energy solution, offering selectable voltage so that we can operate at 12, 24, or 48 volts. You can stack these for relatively as many as you want for the system required, utilizing bus bar connections here. And we've paired up with some of the most popular inverter charger companies on the market so that we can have closed loop communication, so that we can do some auto programming and also signaling for some triggers. Along with the selectable output voltage, we've introduced something that we're calling hybrid balancing. And what that solves for us is that inherent problem that you have between series connected cell packs. Once things start getting out of balance between the cell packs, a lot of the time you need to dismantle your 48 volt bank to remedy that. But we now have a way that we can automatically prompt the system to go through its own passive cell balancing utilizing our BMS technology to get everything back on track. If you want to learn more, go ahead and head over to battlebornbatteries.com.